Hello there. My name is Eli Menser, and I'd like to welcome you to Menser Makes. This is going to be a YouTube channel where I make stuff that I think is cool and hopefully you think is cool too. And I'm just going to show my learning process, how I come up with designs, and anything else that I think is relevant to that. This is something I've been wanting to do for a long time, and I'm really excited to get to push my skills to new limits. I've always been making stuff ever since I was a young kid. I would wake up at 5:30 a.m. every morning before school to play with my Legos, and it was just lots of fun. And I never really grew up from that. To this day, I really love Star Wars and bringing that sort of unreality into reality through things like 3D printing as well as electronics. Eventually, I want to create things that really help people and make a difference, especially using things like robotics. You can see I'm really inspired by Star Wars. But until then, I'm just gonna be making whatever I think sounds cool. So yeah, if you're into that, consider leaving a like or maybe even subscribing. Or even if you're not and you're just one of the lovely people who are trying to support me, I really appreciate you. If you're not either of those kinds of people, what are you still doing here? So my goal is that for this first 6 months of 2026, I'm going to release at least one video detailing some project that I made. And I'm really hoping that this motivates me not only to make new stuff, but also to learn new skills so that I can make the new stuff. I'm super excited to see how this turns out, and I'm really grateful that you're joining me for the ride. And always remember that God loves you and that you were made to make.